Hello everybody, it's Dave here. Welcome back to Desert Sky Adventures and welcome to the very first edition of Desert Sky Adventures Airborne. This is my first monetized flight since getting my commercial drone pilot's license, and I'm really excited to show you what is out there. But first, let's take a look at today's flight plan. Today our aerial excursion begins roughly 20 minutes outside of Tombstone, Arizona, on the historic Ghost Town Trail near the ruins of the town of Courtland. As we soar over the ruins of Courtland, we will explore the surrounding countryside, searching for distinctive features that merit attention. Proceeding northwest, we will then take in a stunning panorama of the mountain range, and finally, we will fly over the site of downtown Courtland and touch down just beyond the historic Courtland Jail, located directly on the Ghost Town Trail. It's going to be quite a flight, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip. 14 miles northeast of Tombstone, you will find the remains of Courtland, Arizona, founded in 1909. The surface conditions of the area indicated a mother lode of copper, and Courtland was considered one of the most promising copper camps in Arizona. Although its boom lasted only 12 years, it managed to gain a population of over 2,000 people. As we head out towards the hillside, we can see remnants of mining activity that occurred here over 100 years ago. I'm not sure if this mining operation is part of the original Courtland operation or if it came sometime later, but I've spotted something higher up the hillside that is definitely older, so we'll fly up there and take a look before swinging around and making another flight over the ruins of Courtland. What we're seeing dead ahead looks much more reminiscent of a mining operation that took place over 100 years ago. We'll take a peek over the top of these mountains and see what's on the other side in just a little bit, but for now, let's turn south and head back over the remains of Courtland Ghost Town and take a closer look at some of the ruins. The first set of ruins we fly over here was once the Big Rock Store, and at one time it was the largest store in Courtland. These next set of ruins were at one time the offices of the Great Western Copper Company. We will now head up towards the top of the mountain and get a peek over on the other side before landing in the area that was once the heart of downtown Courtland. Along the way, I spotted something that looked a little out of place. It looked like it could have been the entrance to a mine, or maybe some old abandoned mining equipment that was left behind. We'll fly over and see if we can get a closer look at it. It looks like it might be a cow, although I'm not sure why a cow would have climbed all the way up here to the top of this mountain just to hang out with a bunch of cactus. And yes, it is indeed a cow. Not sure why it came all the way up here, but to each their own. Since we've come up this way, we'll just hang out for a few minutes, take a look at the horizon towards Mexico, and then head up the hill and hopefully see some things that are pretty amazing. If I fly too far past this ridge, I run the risk of losing signal with my controller and losing communications with the drone. I'd rather not have that happen today, so we'll spin around, take a look from up here, and head back down and land in what was once downtown Courtland. If you look closely, you can still see some of the ruined rock formations where buildings once stood. It looks like we might have spotted a modern-day mining operation. It doesn't look like anyone is working today, but still, I'll be sure to stay out of their airspace. From this location, we can see even more remnants of the mining activity that once occurred here. And off in the distance, we can see the only structure left in Courtland, the Courtland Jail, built in 1909. And with that, friends, our flight today is slowly coming to an end, but I want to know, what did you think of this video? Is this something you'd like to see more of as a concept? Let us know in the comments, and let us know which locations you'd like to see us fly over next time. But until then, thank you so much for watching, folks. Until next time, until the next video, we'll see you down the road.